Hey everybody, welcome to our HTML list tutorial. My name is Sean from OpenWeb, and today we're going to be discussing all the different types of lists, how they're used, and so forth. So to start, there's really two types of lists you're primarily going to use. Our unordered lists, which are UL tags, and ordered lists, OL. These two are different depending on whether you want more specific definition. An unordered list is just kind of listing off specific things. So inside of your opening list tags, which I'm going to refer to OL and UL as our opening list tags, you're going to put what is called an LI tag. This means essentially list item. So in this one we're just going to type hello. Next one I'm just going to go with I'm an unordered list. Then in our ordered lists, we're going to do the same thing and then see how they look side by side. I'm an ordered list. So we look at them side by side. Our unordered list gives us a bullet point kind of look, and then an ordered list is just specifically by numbers. So you can add an infinite amount of list items and make your list as long as you need to. They're pretty open, they're pretty versatile tags. You can do whatever you want with them, either in CSS by just doing UL and so on. The cool thing about lists too is that since they're such versatile tags, you can put other lists inside of them to kind of layer and nest. So this will make a sub-description. I use this feature personally, so if I'm listing off one item, I might help describe that item or list some subpoints with it using just nesting UL tags. So with our ordered list, there is ways that we can change it from the 1, the 2, the so on. The UL, you really can't change that a whole lot, but using OL, we can add our feature is what we call a type. So we're going to do type equals to quotations, and then brackets kind of shows us all these, but I'm going to go through them anyways. 1, which will do it in a numerical order. Capital A, which will make it A, B, and it will kind of order in capital letters. Lowercase a, I'm just going to speed through these now. I, which is going to be increasing Roman numerals, which I think is probably the coolest out of all of them, and then a lowercase I, which is our lowercase Roman numerals. These can be used if you're really wanting to define an ordered list in a specific way, and those are our two main types of lists. There is also another kind of list I'm going to go over really quickly just because it's considered in HTML. It's called a description list. You're going to nest them by starting with DL as description list and then DT. I really don't use this a whole lot. It's just kind of a feature that's not very common, but you can nest them by doing DT as your first list item and then DD as a sublist item. Just kind of like how we did with the nesting UL, the UL inside of UL. Thank you for checking out our HTML list tutorial. From this, I hope you guys can apply this and figure out a little bit more about lists, but this was just a very introductory tutorial. My name is Sean. Have a good day.